Yep, the deck belt broke off. It's time to replace it. John Deere L130. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Easy Glaze, and let's get started. I've done this before. It's been a while. So bear with me. Hopefully this is quick. You want to take the pins out on each side. So let's get started. All right, let's get the pins on each side. We're gonna save that middle one for last. So I got one here, and I got a pair of pliers with me to pull. Bam, that was one. I like to keep them up here and kind of keep them in order so I don't lose place. I mean, it probably doesn't matter, but I like to keep the pins in the same spots. This is two. Actually, I think I should do the one in the back. No, I think this one is fine. It's been a while since I've done it. All right, that one's a little harder. Okay, there we go. A little tugging, but I got it. That was two. I put it up there. And that's three. So I think that's complete. Let's see, three on one side. Yeah, and then you see this bracket here? You're gonna have to take that down. But first, let's take the pins down, off, all around, and then take that bracket off. Okay, on the other side, we're gonna repeat the same process. Got one pin here. It's hard doing this holding the phone, so bear with me. I freaking hurt my hand there. All right, let's see if I can put the phone down and work at the same time. Let's see if that's possible. I think you guys can see it like that. Any cut? I don't think so. I'm good. Thank you, guys. If you're concerned. These pins sometimes, they're not easy. Maybe rust and whatnot. Did I get it? Nope. Ah, jeez. Why is that one so hard? Let me see if I could just move it. Oh, there we go. You see? All right, that's one. Let's see, can the camera see the pliers? Nope, I don't think so. There we go. That's number two. Let's put it up here. Number three. Okay. Now, what else we got? I think we just got the malfunction. Sorry, YouTube. Oh, and then we got the middle pin as well, which was on the other side. But here, let's take this bracket off. See if I could do it one hand. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna put it like this. Sorry guys if you don't see it, but I'm using one hand to hold the deck a little bit, and then the other to take the bracket off. Now there was two, damn, what was that there? Like I said, it's been a while. Something fell off, washers. Yeah, I guess so be careful of that, the washers before the pins. That was one. Let's see if I can find the other. Oh man. Camera. Where are you? Let's see if I can brush this off and kind of find it like that. Honestly, the washer's not a big deal to me. The pin stays in place, so it's fine. All right. So I took that bracket off. Let's get the bracket off on the other side and the pin. Get my little box. Okay. Same thing. I need to kind of like hold the deck to get this bracket off. Let me see if I could do it on camera. See, here's the washers right here. I should have took them off in the beginning. I didn't realize that. It's been a while since I've done this. Trying to take it out. Well, I heard something else drop. why this bracket is not coming out. All right, hold on. How about this? Let's get this pin out. Then let's see if I can work with it. Yep, that pin came right out. Put that right there. Now, what I'm gonna do is lift this part up. See if I can. All right. Okay. You need 2 hands. Holding the camera is not easy. All right. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this up here, but I'm gonna get that other bracket off. Oh, look, that came off easy. Now, let me show you. Hold on, a little back here. So the last part is lifting the deck a little off of that. Let's see if I can do it one hand for y'all. Look, I see the bracket. Look. Can you see that? Okay. Took that one bracket off. I'll do the other. All right, all the brackets are off. Now we gotta pull it out. I believe all the brackets are off. Yeah, they are. All right, I'll leave it like that, and pretty much I'll clean this up first, and then I'll show you guys how to get the belt on. Okay, to get the job done, you're gonna unfortunately have to take this cover off, and this cover, and you're gonna have to loosen this one up so you can get around this part here. For these, there's how many screws here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna need, what bit was this? Sorry guys, 8. Got it upside down. I don't got my glasses on, and I don't got it focused. That's an 8. For this one, you're gonna need an 18. Might be a 17. I kind of felt a little. No, it's not. 18. Definitely need an impact gun. Okay, so I'm on the opposite side of the deck, so you can see where I'm at with it, guys. Now, before, when I was on the opposite side, I told you about the covers. This cover had 4 screws. That cover over there has 3. I also took off this nut, and that's the nut right here. This pulley, almost adjacent to this one where I took the nut off, you do have this bracket here, but when you put the belt on, you could squeeze it right through. So, let me move my toolbox. I couldn't get on video me putting on the belt. It was gonna be a little too difficult, but it's easy. So, here's what you do. First of all, let me get a look like that where you guys can see. So you can pause and see. Now, the belt, as you know, it has a flat side and it has a groove side, if you will, right? The groove side has to go on these outside pulleys. 1, 2, and 3. The flat side goes on the lighter gray pulleys. 1, 2, and 3, right? There's 6 pulleys total. 3 pulleys get the groove, 3 do not get the groove. So what I did was with the belt, I started off with putting the belt on here and here first, right? Then I wrapped around here. So here, follow me. I hooked that up, right? Then I went around here. Now to get around this way was a little tricky. So now I stopped there and I went this way. I completed this way. Went around this way, where that's this pulley here. And then I was able to complete this one to go around this way. And that's where you get this horseshoe, if you will. Okay, so I'm gonna put the bolt back on here. Oh, again, when you get to here, it's a little difficult. You can either take that nut off, or if you're lazy like me, you just wiggle it and squeeze it through. All right, so I'm gonna put the brackets back on, put that nut back on. Okay guys, I pulled the deck underneath the mower, and what I did as I was bringing it, I put the belt around the big, okay, after battling with it for a while, here's what you want to do. Do not have that pin on in the front. You want to have the belt on the pulley, but don't have that bracket on as of yet. The side bracket for here, get that on. I'm gonna get the other side bracket on as well. Okay, I got the bracket on that side, and I put the pins as well. That bracket has 2 pins, and I'm gonna put the pins on this bracket as well. One pin. Where's the hole? There we go. I had to push it all the way in. That's 2 pin. Now on the other side, I already, the back, where you gotta lift up, I already have it on. This one I gotta lift up now. Okay, there we go. Earlier I was having so much trouble, but you just remember to do it the right way. It's easy. Okay, so again, when you put the deck back under, you wanna get the belt on first. Then you wanna get the side brackets on. Put the pins in the brackets. Then you wanna raise and put it on the back here. There's a bracket back here that's already on the mower on each side, if you will, and you wanna get it, yeah. That one there, okay? Then, let's get this middle one on. Now, this one might be a little bit of a pain in the ass. Not too bad. All right, I got that in. And now let's get all the pins on. You know what too? For the brackets here, I forgot to put the washers. So I'm gonna put the washers on right now. I just simply took the pin off, put the washer, and now I'm putting the pin back in. Oh. And I lost that washer. Jeez, trying to do something good. I got another washer in my hand. So we're gonna just put that one. Hopefully I don't lose this one. Where was that hole? See, sometimes I'm just like, you know what? F a washer. Alright, I found the hole. Up. And I lost that washer too. You know? F a washer. Just make sure your pins are in. So, I got, alright, let's get this pin in the back. I don't like putting it that way. Sorry, I'm particular in certain things. Yes, I lost the washer, but alright, here we go. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and then 4 would be this over here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna finish putting the pins on the other side and get it started. All right, all the pins is on. All right, let's start her up. Let's see a cut real quick. Let's see. So. There we go, before and after. That's how you fix the belt on a John Deere L130. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. Until next time. Woo! Later.